if you speak to someone in the similar this to, you're going to have the same ending. How is I speak to you?
Puhun sinulle.
Puhun sinulle. I don't speak to you.
En puhu sinulle.
We don't speak to you.
Emme puhu sinulle.
You guys don't speak to me.
Te ette puhu minulle.
Very good. And as you can see, to me, to, we have this possessive give, this A or A with two dots, changing to the A, B, C, D, E in this to. How is you speak about me? And emphasizing the word you.
Sinä puhut minusta.
Very good, you avoided the trap. It's coming inside me, the thing that you're talking, but it's not coming to me. How about he doesn't speak to me?
Hän ei puhu minulle.
And he doesn't speak about me.
Hän ei puhu minusta.
Very good.